Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial on how to upload your DJ mix without getting it blocked or getting a copyright strike. It's a very simple process. A disclaimer, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay for any license to get your mix or your mixtape on YouTube. Don't be conned by people who tell you that I'll get your license to upload your mix on YouTube. Don't pay anyone. It's a con. It's simply free of charge. But a disclaimer also, it's a tedious process. It's not for lazy DJs because at times you need to do some things repetitively. For example, you might need to record your mix again. You might need to edit a video, but it's very simple, straightforward. Just take your time and do it. So on your screen is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe if you're new here and hit the like button. You can see I have some few mixtapes on the channel. So after opening your YouTube channel, just go to YouTube Studio, click on your icon up here, click on YouTube Studio, you'll open this page, and here you'll see all the mixes that you have uploaded on the channel. You can see the ones that are live and the ones that are blocked. When you go to visibility here, you can see there's blocked and partially blocked. So I'll explain to you the difference between blocked and partially blocked. And don't be affected by partially blocked, because you can see this one, which is partially blocked, and it has views the same as these ones. Most mixes get the partially blocked thing and they are good to go. So of note, you can see there are two mixes. They are the same mix, same minutes. You can see here 1 and 25 minutes. So the first one was on February 3rd this year. I did a mix, edited it and uploaded it on YouTube, but to my shock, it was blocked. Then I did some editing, and on the 4th, I put it on YouTube, but it was partially blocked, but it got views. So let's go to the first video. Let's open the blocked one and see what's causing the block. So when you go up here, you see visibility, monetization, and restrictions. Something else of note, you cannot monetize a DJ mix, meaning you cannot earn from YouTube by uploading a mixtape. Make that clear. You cannot earn any money from YouTube by uploading a mix, but you can earn from music promotion. I make a different video on how to explain to you on how you can earn from music promotion from YouTube. So make sure you subscribe. So when you go to restrictions, open copyright and open details. So here you see all the songs that have been blocked, the songs that are live on your mix. You can see them. So what you do, you go through the songs, and you'll see what is causing the blockage. Most of the time, it's usually the video. Audio mixes rarely get blocked, but at times they do, but they rarely get blocked. The video part is the one that has issues. So go to the impact on video. So what you're looking for is video cannot be seen. Just avoid this one, ignore it. Video cannot be monetized. That is very common in all songs on a mixtape on YouTube, so ignore that one. So just go to video cannot be seen. So on this part, there's this one song by Boy. It says video cannot be seen or monetized, meaning you cannot earn money from it, and also the video cannot be seen on another YouTube channel. This is a setting that the creators of the song set. They don't want the video to be seen from another channel, but you can use the audio. So this one is blocked in all territories, like everywhere in the world cannot be seen. So there's a different one that says video cannot be seen or monetized, but in specific countries. Let me show you an example. If you scroll down, you see this one is Mario NBN, Nairobi. It says the same, video cannot be seen or monetized, but specific to two countries, that is Russia and Belarus. I don't know why these countries don't like listening to music. In the comment section from Russia or Belarus, tell us why you don't like listening to music. But this one would affect your mix, because most of the people that listen to such music, like this one is a Kenyan mix, it be from East Africa or Kenyans living abroad. So most of the time it doesn't affect your mix, because even you won't get views from these countries, they might not be interested in listening to such kind of mix. So don't worry about it, just ignore it. So go through all the songs and make sure if there's any other part that says video cannot be seen. But as you can see, it's only that part. All the other things, they say video cannot be monetized, just ignore them. So after that, after you noted the song that is causing the problem, it's only one song that is blocked in all territories, which is this song by Naiboy. So there are two options. One, you can edit the song on YouTube, or you can go back to your video editing software and remove the song. So let me show you the first one. The first step is to note the time. It is between 37 minutes and 38 minutes. This one is the part that is affected, where the song is on your mixtape. So on YouTube, you just come here to select action. So meaning there are two options. One, you can trim out the segment. Trimming out means you're going to cut out both audio and video on your mix on YouTube, meaning there won't be a flow of the song. When you play the song on YouTube, it will skip to the next part of the mix, which is not very professional. People won't like it. They see your mix as distorted. So personally, I don't use this option. The other option you can use is dispute. Dispute a claim if have necessary rights of the content. If you have rights of this content, you can dispute, but most of the time you don't have the right, because the song is not yours. The song is owned by the musician or the record label, and you can see it takes up to 30 days, and you don't want to wait until that time. You want to make a mixtape and upload it the next day. So this one you waste your time, and most of the time it doesn't work. I've tried it before and it never worked, so just ignore this one. Other options are erase the song, replace the song. You can see this one, you can't click on them. At times they're not available. So if you are a lazy DJ, you don't want to go back to your editing software, either Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas, you can trim out the segment. This one takes about 1 hour and your mix will be live, but it won't have a good flow because it will be skipping to the next song. So personally, I don't use this one. So what I do, I come back to my video and note the minutes. It is from 37 to 38, 37 and 14 seconds. So after noting this one, I go back to my video editing software, which is either Sony Acid or Premiere Pro. For this mixtape, I use Sony Vegas. Sony Vegas is for video, Sony Acid is for audio. But for videos, I use Sony Vegas. So open it. So this mixtape, I recorded it live. I did a live recording, but also I recorded the video of the song, so like the artist video. So I did a recording of the video using Mix Emergency and Serato, and the video is a camera. So the issue is from 37 and 14 seconds. Here is the music video by Yanni and Naiboy that is causing the total blockage of the mix. So from 14 seconds here, from here, so the issue is, you see there's a transition from a different song. I don't want to play the songs because of copyright issues. So from here, from the 14 seconds, that 14 seconds up to 38 and 15 seconds, it's where you're having an issue. So what I did, the options you can have, you can either use a lyric video or a dance video. You can just download them where people are dancing to the same song, or even a different song, just put a dance video there. But if you have a live video of you DJing, what you do, for example, for this one, I just mark the points that have some issues. Let me mark them. From 37, 14 seconds, it's around, just put around there, 14 seconds here. Just put a mark there and go back to 38, 15 seconds. 38, 15 seconds is at here. So just mark it like that, put another mark there. If you want lessons on how to use Sony Vegas, just scroll through my YouTube channel and see very, very many videos on how to do it. Or you can say to my DM, I offer lessons via Zoom on how to go about it. Just within 5 days and you'll be good to use Sony Vegas to edit videos. Very simple. So what I did, this is my live video. I'm just going to drag it, extend it over. This is the original video for the song. This one, now that is causing issues. What I do, just come and extend this one like this, and now the original video is covered, so YouTube won't detect it and it would cause a blockage. As you can see now, you can't see it. That's how I did it. But if you don't have an original video, You can put a dance video here. You can put either a lyric video. You can put your picture. You can just put anything, but to be professional, just put something good like a dance video. Yeah, after doing that, you render your mixtape, you save it, and you re-upload on YouTube. You see, it's a very simple process, but it is time consuming. So at times, if you are a lazy person, you won't do it. You think it's a lot of work, but it's very simple. Just edit and render it again. It will take up to 5 hours depending on your computer. So after re-uploading it on YouTube, let's go to the video that is partially blocked now. This is the second video that I uploaded on the 4th of Feb. The same mix, but with an edit. You see now it is partially blocked, but it still has views. It has 34,000 views. It's around now around 7 days old on YouTube. Not doing a bit good. Yeah. So let's see the copyright issues now. See the details. So if you scroll through and look for video cannot be seen, let's see if you see anything. That is Nairobi. This one was the first song that was didn't have an issue because it's 2 countries only. That was in around 3 minutes and 5 minutes. That was fine. Let's look for another one. As you can see now, the original video does not exist. The one that had the total blockage, that one for Nairobi, that you can't see it because we did the video editing, we removed the original video. So now YouTube cannot block it. And that's how you do it. It is very simple, straightforward. So guys, don't pay anyone to upload your mix on the YouTube channel. Don't be conned that they are going to pay a license for you. It's a total con. It's free of charge. Just have to take your time and do it. So guys, if you learn something in from this video, consider liking it. You can follow and subscribe. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I'll guide you. See you on the next video.